it's Dirk with DMP Home Inspections. Back up in my attic today to give you a little demonstration on what you should be doing with your HVAC system. Locate the discharge pipe on your air handler. All the condensation that is in this box right here will actually drip down this tube and it goes outside. But there's something that can happen in here. Bugs and pests can actually make their way up into this hose. So I recommend using some distilled vinegar. I got this stuff at Publix, and pour it down either that hole there or this one right here. Normally there's only one on here. I actually put two of them on here because I got the condensation pipe. But I pour it in here, and see, trying to hold this camera is not really helping much, but here we go. And anyways, and that'll keep it nice and cleaned out. I also do the same thing for the condensation pump. If you need advice, a listening ear, food, or prayer, we're here to help.